Top tips for validating your membership site idea. When inspiration hits you and you come up with an idea for a membership website that you are convinced is a winner, it can be all too easy to get carried away with trying to make it a reality. Unfortunately, this can result in a lot of wasted time if you don't stop to examine whether or not your idea is solid. Follow these tips that will help you validate your idea for a membership site. Tip number 1. Don't rely on the opinions of friends. While it is entirely understandable that you want to run your ideas past your friends and family to get feedback on your idea, it is rare that they will provide you with honest feedback. To start, they care about you, so they will temper their input so that they don't offend you, even if they think that your idea won't work. Plus, they aren't the best indicator of your target audience, and they won't have a genuine understanding of the market you're trying to target. Tip number 2. Research what's already out there. There's no better way to validate your idea than if somebody else is already doing something similar. If you find that there is already some competition in your market, it's a good sign that your idea is worth pursuing. If you come up with an idea where there is no indication, it could mean that the supply and demand don't exist and that it wouldn't be a viable business. Tip number 3. Start collecting leads early. The main thing that you will be trying to validate is that there are people out there who will be interested in your knowledge on a specific subject. The best way to confirm your idea is to find people that are interested and capturing their interest when they submit their email address to indicate that they want more information. Tip number 4. Test the market. You can offer people a minimum variable product to test their interest level in what you're providing. A minimum variable product is an offering in the same vein as your intended final product that targets the same audience, but that doesn't require as much upfront work, time, or financial obligation to get going. Before you spend your precious time and energy setting up your first membership site, be sure to follow these tips to ensure that your idea is worth pursuing.